नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स एजुकेशनल स्पेक्ट्रम. We are through the quarterfinals and I am really delighted to announce that all these spell Bs who have made it to the semi-finals are really the bright minds. Excellent they were throughout this journey, and I can assure you a very interesting, educative and knowledge enhancing 1 hour or so in this hall. Now for the semi-finals, we have some rules. The first round will be the buzzer round. The buzzer round will have 5 questions, 5 words. The participant throwing the ball first will be given an opportunity to spell the word. In case your spelling is correct, you will be given 5 marks. Sorry, 10 marks. But in case it is not correct, 5 marks will be deducted from your tally. If you haven't opened your account, then it will be -5. Right? The second round will be the regulation round. This round, 5 words will be presented to each one of you, and each correct spelling will fetch 5 marks. The third round will be the rapid fire round. You will be given 100 seconds time. Within 100 seconds, you can spell as many words as you like, but not more than 7. Right? For each correct spelling, 5 marks will be added to your tally. There is no negative marking. However, during the rapid fire round, you can pass. If you are stuck on a spelling, you can pass that word and ask for the new word. Right? And later on, if time permits, I'll come back to you. Right? So, everyone ready? You have made it to the semi-finals, so I'm sure that preparation is really up to the mark of the semi-final. Let's start with the first word. Ready? Balls in your hands. Do not be in unnecessary hurry. And the first word for you is biodegradable. It is Shivang. biodegradable is absolutely correct. Good opening, Shabas. Necessary hurry. And the word for you is chlorophyll. It is yes. Harsh. CH LO RO PH YLL is absolutely correct. 5 marks added to your tally. The third word. Ready? Balls in the hands. Don't be in unnecessary hurry. And the word for you is conspicuous. CONSPIC is not correct. You lose 5 marks, Shivang. I'm afraid you made it. Okay. Word number 4. Ready? repercussion Yes, Alia. REPER CU double S ION. Absolutely correct. Good going. Shabash. So with this, we have completed 4 words. The last word coming, the last of this round, and the word is ready. Don't be in unnecessary hurry. The word is meticulously. Shivang it is. Meticulously. 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 M E T I C U L O U S L Y is absolutely correct. 5 marks. With this, we have completed the buzzer round. After the buzzer round, Shivang is leading the table with 15 marks. Harsh and Alia are placed second with 10 each. Others did not bother the scorer. दूसरों ने स्कोरर को बिल्कुल तकलीफ नहीं दी. उन्होंने स्कोरर का ख्याल रखा कि स्कोरर बेचारे कहीं परेशान ना हो जाएं. लेकिन आई कैन अश्योर यू द स्कोरर विल happily open your account. He will happily do it for you. So please keep spelling the words and keep grabbing the marks. We are starting the regulation round. In this round, I'll give 5 words to each one of you. 5 marks for each correct spelling. Shivang, I'll start with you. Your first word is filtration.
FIL
FIL
TRA
TRA
TION.
TION. Your second word is neutral.
NEU
NEU
TRAL.
TRAL. Your third word is ambiguous.
AM
AMBI
GUOUS.
GUOUS. Good going, Shivang. Absolutely fantastic. The next word is impeccable.
IM
IM
PE
PE
double C
ABLE.
ABLE.
Absolutely correct. And the last but not the least word for you is magnetism. Magnetism. Magnetism.
MAG
MAG
NE
NE
TI
TI
SM.
SM is absolutely correct. It is your turn, Aditya. And the first word for you is incessant. Incessant.
IN
IN
CA
C
A
is not correct. The second word for you is perplexed.
PER
PER
PL
PL
repeat PER
perplexed.
PER PL
PER PL. Be careful for 30 seconds.
XED
XED is not correct. The next one is scrupulous. Scrupulous. Scrupulous.
SC
SC
RUM
RU
M
is not correct. The next word is vociferous. Vociferous. Vociferous.
VO
VOCIFE
C I F E ROUS.
is correct. And the fourth word, I hope, is nostalgia. Nostalgia. Scorer, please help me if
NOS.
it is fourth or fifth.
NOS
Nostalgia.
NOS
NOSTALGIA
L AGIA.
is not correct. Pragmatic. Pragmatic.
FR A G MA
FRAGMATIC.
TIC.
The second word is astonishment. Astonishment.
AS
ASTONIS
NIS MENT.
is not correct. The third word for you is magnanimous. Magnanimous.
ME
ME is not correct. The fourth word for you is perseverance. Perseverance. Perseverance.
PER
PER
GA
is not correct. And the fifth word for you is amazement. Amazement.
AMA
AMA
ZEMENT.
ZEMENT is correct. It is your turn, Harsh. And the first word for you is bizarre. Bizarre. Bizarre
BE
is not correct. The second word for you is alleviate. Alleviate. Alleviate.
AL
ALE is not correct. The third word for you is consequently. 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 Correct. The next word for you is deteriorate. Deteriorate. Deteriorate.
Repeat.
Deteriorate. Deteriorate.
DE
TE
RO
is not correct. And scorer, is it the fifth word? Okay. Fifth is coming. Okay. The fifth word is emphasize. Emphasize. Emphasize.
EM
PHA SI is correct. Your turn, Sachin. And the first word for you is impediment. Impediment.
IM PIA
is not correct. The second word for you is judicious. Judicious.
JU
JU
DICOUS.
is not correct. The next word for you is judgment.
JUDGE
JUDGEMENT.
EMENT.
The next word is legitimate. Legitimate.
LEGIMI.
LEGIMI is not correct. 5, 4. Fifth one is coming. The fifth word for you is kaleidoscope.
KALEIDOSCOPE.
KALEIDOSCOPE. Correct. Your first word is notorious. Notorious.
NO
NOTORIOUS.
OUS.
Correct. Your second word is metamorphosis. Metamorphosis. Metamorphosis.
METAMOR PHOSIS.
SIS. Correct. Your third word is oblivious. Oblivious.
OB LIVI
OUS is correct. Your next word is quintessential. 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 Correct. And your fifth word is rejuvenate. 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 Rejuvenate.
RESU
is not correct. Your first word is scrutiny. 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 Absolutely correct. Your second word is taciturn. Taciturn is not correct. Your next word is ubiquitous. 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 BE is not correct. Your next word is vulnerable. Vulnerable. Vulnerable.
VO
Is not correct.
vulnerable.
Your fifth word. Fifth word is it?
Yes.
Your fifth word is criticism.
Okay.
Criticism. Criticism. Criticism.
CR IT IS
is not correct. Your first word is whimsical. Whimsical. Whimsical
VE
is not correct. Your second word is jealous. Jealous. Jealous.
ZE LO
is not correct. Your third word is bewildered. 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 Bewildered
BI
is not correct. Your fourth word is conscience. Conscience.
CON
CONSCIENCE
NCE
is correct. And your fifth word is eccentric. 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 This was the fourth word? Fifth. So completed 5. The first word for you, gruesome. Gruesome. Gruesome.
GRU
GRUESOME.
SOME
Correct. The second word is yearning. 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 Absolutely correct. The third word is puzzled. Puzzled.
PU
PU
double Z
double Z
LED
LED. Correct. The next word is obsolete. Obsolete. Obsolete.
OB SO LA
is not correct. And your fourth or fifth? Fifth word is
fourth
parliament.
PAR LIAMENT
Correct. Well, your first word is unanimous. Unanimous.
UN ANI MOUS
Absolutely correct. Your second word is versatile. Versatile.
VER
SATILE.
TILE
Your third word is sophisticated. Sophisticated. Sophisticated.
PHI
TED. Absolutely correct. Your next word is reconciliation. 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 Absolutely correct. And your fifth word is compassionate. Compassionate. Compassionate.
COM
PASS IO
NATE
NATE. Absolutely correct. So we have completed 2 rounds. After the buzzer round and the regulation round, you'd like to know the scores. So please have a glance on the scores. The leader is Sivang with 40 marks. Alia is placed second with 30 marks. Dipti is at third position with 25. Anubhav and Harsh both are at fourth position with 20 each. Ankit 10 marks, Adhar 5, Mahi 5, Aditya 5. The next round will be the rapid fire round. This is all about being fast and smart. All those who are fast as well as smart will win the round. You got to be very fast because in a time of 100 seconds you will be given 7 words. But if you are stuck up at number 1 word, I won't go for number 2 unless you say pass. If you say pass, I'll go to the next word, right? So this time I'll start with you, Deepu. You are the first one to take my 7 words. 100 seconds, 7 words to be spelt, and if you can be quick and smart, you can score as many as 35 marks. And your time starts now. Deliberate.
DELI.
बोलते रहिए.
DELIBERATE.
Correct. Diligent.
DILIGENT.
Correct. Distinguish.
DISTINGUISH.
Correct. Efficient.
EWFICIENT.
Correct. Emotional.
EMOTIONAL.
Correct. Empathy.
EMPHA.
Is not correct. Endurance.
ENDURANCE.
Essential.
ESSENTIAL.
Correct. So, rapid fire round is all about being quick and smart. 100 seconds, 7 words, and your time starts now. Flourish.
FLOURISH.
Correct. Genuine.
GENIUNE.
Correct. Hesitate.
HASHIT.
Is not correct. Independent.
INDEPENDENT.
Correct. Influence.
INFLUENCE.
Integrity.
INTIGREATY.
Is not correct. Precious.
PRICE.
Is not correct. You answered 4 correct. 4 to the 20 added to your tally. You take your tally to 40. Good. Well, Ajar, 100 seconds, 7 words to be spelt, and you can grab 35 marks. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
And so is the timekeeper. So your time starts now. Hospitable. Hospitable.
HOS.
Come on.
HOSPITABLE.
Correct. Impartial.
IMPARSIAL.
Is not correct. Jubilant.
JUBILANT.
Correct. Lethargic. Lethargic.
LEA.
Is not correct. Metaphor. Metaphor. Metaphor.
METAPHAR.
Is not correct. Obsession. Obsession.
OBSESSION.
Correct. Plausible. Plausible.
PLOSSIB.
Is not correct. You answered 3 correct. 3 5s are 15 added to your tally. Your tally goes to 20. Good. Although you are lagging behind, but you can still grab 35. Okay? Ready? Timekeeper ready? And your time starts now. Vigilant.
Pass.
Wholesome.
WHOLESOME.
Correct. Astonishing.
ASTONISHING.
Correct. Brilliance.
BRILLIANCE.
Correct. Credibility.
CREDIBILITY.
Correct. Structure.
STRUCTURE.
Correct. Eminent.
Repeat.
Eminence.
AMI.
Is not correct. Time permits, therefore I'll come back. Vigilant.
VIGILLENT.
Is not correct. So Alia, ready? You can have a glance on the scoreboard. You are going really nice, but you need to ensure that you finish at number 1. And to finish at number 1, you need to hit all 7 correct. 100 seconds, 7 words. Your time starts now. And the first word is abundant.
ABUNDANT.
Correct. Adaptable.
ADAPTABLE.
Correct. Anticipate.
ANTICIPATE.
Correct. Cautious.
CAUTIOUS.
Correct. Beneficial.
BENEFICIAL.
Correct. Complicated.
COMPLICATED.
Confidence.
CONFIDENCE.
This was really wonderful, audience. 7 out of 7. 400 seconds. Begin now. Tangible. Tangible.
TENSI
Is not correct. Skeptical.
SPEC
Is not correct. Recluse.
RECULISE
Is not correct. Quarrelsome.
COLS
Is not correct. Plausible.
PLOUSIBLE
Is not correct. Obsession.
OBSESSION
Correct. You're left with one more. Lethargic.
LETHARGIC RAGIC.
Is not correct. Your 100 seconds begin now. Fertilizer.
FERTILIZE.
Is not correct. Evaporation.
EVAPORATION.
Correct. Ecosystem.
ECOSISTEM.
Correct. Diffusion.
DIFFUSION.
Decomposition.
DECOMPOSITION.
Correct. Cytoplasm.
CYTOPLASM.
Correct. So you're left with one more. And the last word is combustion. Combustion.
COMBUSTION.
Correct. Shabash. Good going. Harsh, it was extremely good on your part. How many correct? Six correct. 30 added to your tally. It's all being smart and quick. So 100 seconds, 7 words, and your time starts now. Hindrance. Hindrance.
HENDERANCE.
Is not correct. Illiterate. Illiterate.
EEE.
Is not correct. Jeopardy. Jeopardy. Jeopardy.
JAPARDY.
Is not correct. Kinship. Kinship.
KIMSIC.
Correct. Lucid. Lucid.
Repeat.
Lucid.
LUCIC.
LUCIC.
CIC.
Is not correct. Negligent. Negligent. Negligent.
NEGLEGENT.
NEG
LEGENT.
is not correct. Obsolete.
OBSOLATE.
Is correct. Only 2 correct. 100 seconds, 7 words. Your 100 seconds begin now. Auxiliaries. Auxiliaries.
AUXA.
Is not correct. Comment.
COMMENT.
Correct. Possibility.
POSSI. BILITES.
Correct. Permission.
PERMISSION.
Correct. Suggestion.
SUGGESTION.
Correct. Interchangeably.
Repeat.
Interchangeably. Interchangeably.
INTERCHANGEBALE.
Is not correct. Encourage.
ENCOURAGE.
Correct. 5 is 25. 25 added to your tally takes you to 30. 30 is a good score. So Sivang, are you ready? 100 seconds, 7 words. Your time starts now. Necessary.
NECESSARY.
Correct. Neighborhood.
NEIGHBOURSOOD.
Correct. Smearing.
SMEARING.
Correct. Challenge.
CHALLENGE.
Correct. Fantastic.
FANTASTICE.
Correct. Preference.
PREFERENCE.
Correct. Cluttered.
CLACTERED.
Well, what a semi-final it was. Thrilling, extraordinary it was. Really fantastic. And let me not forget to mention your contribution in this. You kept them increasing. You kept the hall lively. Thank you for being such a good spectators. All those who have made it to the finals, congratulations, Simang. Number 2, Alia. Number 3, Dipti. Number 4, Harsh. And number 5, Anubhav. What a surprise package it is for you. So with this, we conclude the first semi-final. But before I shut it down, it is my prime duty to thank all those viewers who are not in the hall but watching this video. Friends, you have been extremely encouraging. You have enhanced their skills. You have certainly helped them raise their standard. Thank you for being continuously appreciating us, and you have been liking all the videos. If you like this one also, then please share with your friends and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for joining.